The Forstner COMPACT slit and cut-to-length machine is a premium coil processing solution that seamlessly integrates straightening, slitting, and cutting to length in one powerful system. The in-feed rollers are angled to match the coil loop from the decoiler, which prevents creasing of sensitive materials such as copper, zinc, and aluminum. The in-feed guide is equipped with 4 roller bearings to ensure seamless movement of the metal, maintaining straightness and guaranteeing square cuts with every feed. The electronic eye eliminates the need for making zero cuts, thereby reducing material waste and downtime during knife changes. The in-feed guide adjustment handles are conveniently located for easy access, allowing for seamless integration into any production line. The encoder, equipped with an aluminum wheel, maintains constant contact with the material using a tension spring for consistent and accurate length cuts. Fully rubberized pinch rollers allow material to be pulled evenly from a decoiler without slipping or twisting. Having complete contact across the full width of the material during the in-feed ensures maximum control and accuracy during the slitting process. For added convenience, an optional access table is available for easy knife changes. Constructed of polished tool steel and measuring 3.94 inches, the slitting shafts feature precise measurements for easy knife positioning. The Forstner COMPACT slit and cut-to-length machine comes with a standard setup of 5 sets of dual-sided slitting knives with a hardness of RC45. Alternatively, it can be equipped with up to 9 sets of knives. The unique cap lock design eliminates scoring of the shaft and ensures trouble-free slitting. The material savings mode includes an automatic shaft raise that aligns the final cut with the slits, reducing material waste during knife changes. The Compact series includes 6 polished steel straightening rollers with a 2.75-inch diameter to eliminate coil set and ensure uniform flatness of the material. The straightening pressure can be adjusted using locking handles and a reference scale. With the upgraded SMP F3 control, the rollers operate as a CNC system, lifting automatically before a cut to prevent dwell marks. Following the cut, the machine retracts the material back a few feet and continues the straightening process until the task is finished. The control touchscreen is user-friendly, with clearly marked symbols for each function. It utilizes the electronic eye to automatically set the 0 point on square material and activate the material savings mode. This raises the slitting shafts to complete the final slit before a knife change or job completion. The speed dial allows for adjustable speed ranging from 82 feet per minute with an option of 145 feet per minute. The Forstner COMPACT slit and cut-to-length machine is designed for precise and sustainable metal fabrication. This powerful yet compact machine improves your production line by handling a variety of materials with unmatched accuracy, reducing waste, and maximizing material usage. Perfect for workshops that prioritize efficiency without compromising on space. Contact us to discover more and enhance your fabrication process today.